Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about list collection in C#. So before knowing about list, let's understand about collection. So what is collection? Collection is a class in C# which allows us to store series of values and objects. List is a type of collection. This collection is grouped under a namespace system.collection.generic. First let's understand how to create a list. The syntax for creating a list is list and then mention the type of the data you want to store in this list. I want to store string data type and then provide the list name. I am giving list name as students and use new keyword to initialize new instance of the list. One important thing to note here is if you were working with .NET 5, we were including the namespace system.collections.generic in order to use list in our program. But here we are not using that. So this new feature has been added with .NET 6 framework which supports C#10 where there is no need to mention these namespaces explicitly. It is taken care by compiler. Now list is empty. Let's add some items to the list. Just give the list name, make use of add method. So list name is students.add method. I am going to add name as Ram here and I'll add one more name to the list, name as Sham. Now the question comes, how to access these list items? To access these list items, we can make use of indexing method, link queries or for each loop. I'll be using for each loop now. For each, one awesome feature added with Visual Studio 2022 is IntelliCode feature, which completes your entire line of code. Hit tab to accept this. We'll just print list to the console. Now let's run this. Now, are you able to differentiate between array and list? I can add one more name to the list. I can delete a name from the list. List can grow in size or shrink in size dynamically. When it comes to array, initially whatever the array size you have defined, you need to stick it to that. If you try to increase the size of the array, you will get an error. That is the advantage of using list. Here, I have created a list for string data type. What if I am adding integer data type to this list? Obviously, I'll get an error. List supports strongly typed objects. I want to add custom class objects to the list. So how do we do that? Assume you are writing an application for online shopping where you want to display the products available. Once I say product will be having three properties, that is product ID, product name and product category. Here I have created a product class already which is having ID, name and category. I want to add items of this data type to the list. While writing code at the application level, you need to maintain separate files which makes your debugging easy. So here I have created one more file called repository wherein I'll be saving all the addition, deletion, updation operations. In this repository folder, let us create a new class. Add class. So I'll name class as product repository and click on add. So new class named as product repository is created. In this class, we'll write addition, deletion operations. First, let us create a list. So list of product. Because I am adding a product data type here, so I have named it as product and list name I'll give as product. I am getting an error here. Let us check that. It is telling namespace product could not be found missing using directive or an assembly. That means this product, from where I am taking reference for this product is defined in namespace product app.model. So I need to make use of this namespace in order to use in the other files. So here I need to write using product app.model. So now you can see error has been rectified. Now let's write a constructor for this class. So public product repository. IntelliCode is giving us already the next suggestion. So just hit on tab. Products is equal to, so list name is product here. I'm creating an instance of that product. I'll create list with some items. So new product ID is equal to 1. Let us say name is equal to say LG and category is equal to let's say TV. We'll add one more product. For new product ID is equal to 2. Name is equal to let us say Samsung. Let us make this category as mobile. So list is having 2 items. So we want to display all the items present in the list. We'll create one function get all products. So public return type is list here. So list of product, and we'll give function name as getAllProduct. This method is going to return product. Let us go to our main program here, that is program.cs. Here I'll delete all this list which we have created initially, and now in order to access the methods we need to create an instance of this class first. So first we'll create an instance of the class product repository. Product repository equals new product repository. It's giving a red line. That is because we have to mention from which namespace I am making use of this product repository. So click on potential fixes and using product app.repository. That is because here you can note this namespace is product app.repository. I am going to use this namespace in the main program. So that's why I have included it here. Next, let us create an instance of the list of products called getAllProducts function. Product repository dot getAllProducts. So why is it giving error? Again, the same thing. I have to mention from where I am using this product. This product is defined in the namespace product app.models. So I need to write this. Now by making use of for each loop, let's print the list to the console. So here instead of product, I'll give product object print using console.writeLine product object. Run this now. We should see two items of the list. You can observe on the console two items got printed. Next, let us see how to add new product to this list. For that, let us go to our product repository. Here, we'll write one more method to add product, public string add product. So the argument we'll pass to this method is product. Before adding any new product to the list, you will check whether the product exists in the list or not. If the product exists, there is no meaning in adding it again. So we'll throw an error duplicate conflict. If the product does not exist, we'll add the product to the list. So first we need to verify whether product exists or not. For that, I'll take a variable product exists is equal to get product by name, product dot name. Here we are using name property to check whether product exists or not. For that, I have created one more method, that is get product by name. It is showing an error because we have not yet written any method called get product by name. So first let's write that method. I'll make this method as private product get product by name. This is going to have string name. This method is going to return. Here I am making use of find method. Instead of find method, you can also use link queries. Since we have not yet covered link queries, I am making use of find method. So IntelliCode gives you suggestion. Instead of variable x here, I'll change it to P. P stands for product here. So I am making use of lambda expression in order to verify the given name with the name existing in the list. Let's go back to our add product method here and let us check a condition. If product exists is equal to null, then if the product is not existing in the list, we will add products. So this is our list name, and then add method, then give product. So here it is showing an error, that is because we have used capital P missing colon. Once the product is added, we'll return a message product added successfully. Now let us write else condition also. Else, that means product is already there in the list. That time we'll return duplicate conflict. Normally this is the error raised when you are going to add duplicate product. Let's go to our main program, and here let's try to add new product. The product of product equals new product, and in this new product we'll write id equals to name equals, I'll write Moto G, category mobile. Now let's call our add method which we have defined. Add product of product. By making use of for each loop, let us print this new list. So we are trying to add, let me make this small. We are trying to add new product to the list. Let's run this and check whether new product is added to the list or not. You can see here, initially we had only 2 items, and now our list is having 3 items. Along with that, it is displaying product added successfully. Since here I am adding a new item, it is adding it to the list. Let us say I am trying to add the existing item to the list. So we are finding whether the item is present in the list or not by making use of name. So I'll change name here to LG, which is already present in our list. Now let us run and check. We should get duplicate conflict. So you can see here we are getting a message duplicate conflict, that is product name is LG. It has been duplicated and our list is having only 2 items. Now we'll see how to delete an item from the list. So we have a remove method in list. By making use of that, we can remove item from the list. Let's go to product repository.cs file. Here also, before deleting an item, we need to check the item we are deleting is actually present in the list or not. If it is present, we'll delete, else we'll send some message. For that, let us write one more method, a public bool delete product. Delete product by name. Here also, we'll check whether product exists or not. So we have already created a method for checking product exists or not. We'll call the same method. Now we'll check a condition. We'll make use of ternary operator to check condition. So if product is not equal to null, then remove that product. Product.remove product. Else we'll return false. Let's go to our main program, and here first we'll ask user to enter the product. So enter the product to be deleted. Next, we'll take one variable item to be deleted equals console.readline. And now we'll call the method call of delete product by name method here. And now let's make use of for each loop. I'll just comment this add method. So these lines of code is for deleting a product. Let us run this now. Now list is having 2 items, LG and Samsung. Enter the product to be deleted. So I'll enter Samsung. Now you can see this Samsung mobile has been deleted from the list, and our list is containing only one element, that is LG TV. Let's run this and check the other condition as well, that is suppose I am trying to delete an item which is not present in the list. I will enter Moto. It should return as false. You can see here false is written and our list is having still 2 items. I hope now all of you are clear with list collection. In today's session, we have used add and remove methods in order to add or delete an item from the list. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future videos.